Today, let's think about birthdays. Let's learn how to export a birthday report. Here we go. We're in the home screen of Facts. Let's go to our report manager. Now, if you look in the student category, you see they have their own birthday report. And if you scroll down here and bring over the students and run the report, you're going to get a nice birthday report, but it's only printable. It's not exportable. It's in several columns, and it's not something you can easily put in a spreadsheet. Interestingly enough, if you choose staff, they do not have a birthday report, so we can't even run a report from them directly from our pre-made reports. But we can if we go to create a report. It has to be create a report staff, not student, staff, there we go. And let's choose down here just our middle school staff, and we'll refresh the list, bring all the staff over to the selected list, and view the report. Here, we got nothing, right? There's nothing here. So let's actually build a report. Now that we have the right people for the report, now let's tell it what we want to do. We want to add some fields, don't we? First, we need the name of each staff person. So we'll write name in the search box, and let's choose last name, first name. Then I like to have their department. And right here, we'll choose the department and their title right under it. And finally, their birth date, BIRTH. And here's their birthday right there. We'll say done, and we'll display the results. And here you go. So let's export this to Excel. And let's go over to is report number 3. We need to keep that in mind. So let's go to Google Drive here, and let's upload our report 3. There it is. Let's right-click this and rename it. We'll name it Staff Birthdays. Okay that. And then we'll open it up. Here is our birthday report. Let's freeze, view, freeze the first row. That way we can scroll and that first row stays nice and steady. It doesn't move. You see here that the report is kind of random. But if we put our cursor right there in column D where the birth date is, we go to data and sort the sheet A to Z. What we have here, well, first we have some columns up on top that don't have any birthdays because a lot of these aren't people at all. They're more like categories like lunch or Peach Factory. So let's get rid of these. Edit, delete rows 2 through 7. So now we have people with birthdays in there. Under normal circumstances, this is exactly what you want, because normally in a company you tend to celebrate the birthdays on the month in which the birthday occurs. And so this is sorted by month. Let's do a what if though. What if the school wanted to celebrate its oldest employee and you needed to quickly discover who that oldest employee is? Well, here's how you do that. Since this, you can format it, you can sort it rather, Z to A, and think that's going to give you your oldest employee, but it will not. It'll just give you the employee with the latest birthday in the year, which is December 27th. So that's not what you want at all. What we need to do then is reformat these birth dates. First, we'll choose them all. By the way, I chose it by clicking in the first cell that has data in it, which is D2. I scroll down, I press down my shift key, and then I clicked on the last cell that had data in it, which was D88, just so you know how I did that, okay? So the column is now chosen. We're going to go to Format and choose Number and choose Date. And now if I do a sort, to find the oldest employee, we're going to sort this Z to A, Z being the oldest or the last. Now what you see here is you got 2006 up here, and down here you have 1951 down here. So it's not sorted by month any longer. Let's redo the sort and do A to Z. It didn't do it as I expected, but that's okay. Now we have our oldest in the top, and we have our youngest down there. Our youngest employee was born in 2006. Our oldest was in 1951. Notice the dates on the months are all random because now it's sorted by year. And as I look on the list, I am the 5th oldest employee, which is a sobering thought, but I can deal with it. What if you wanted back to by month? Okay, let's see if we can do that. I'm not sure because I haven't practiced this. Again, we're going to select all those. We're going to reformat these numbers again. Only this time we're going to do plain text. And we do plain text and we do a data sort, A to Z. It's again sorted by month, kind of. We have January, but then the way it goes, it has 10 next to it because of the way it rethinks. If this was 01 and 02 and 03, it would be all the way down into 10, but close enough. We can at least figure out who has the birth dates in each month, even though it's not perfect. Okay? Well, I hope that helps you to see how to export a birthday report and kind of play with the data just a little bit. Hope this helps. See you next time.